This question is from circular motion. The maximum safe speed of a vehicle on a circular track is 15 km per hour. When the track becomes wet, the maximum safe speed is 10 km per hour. The ratio of coefficient of friction of dry track to that of the wet track. So we are going to find the ratio of coefficient of friction, that is mu, the ratio of the dry track and the wet track ratio we want. And these two values are given, two speeds are given. This speed is on the dry track and smaller speed is in the wet track because of less friction. So here, as the object is moving in a circular track, it needs centripetal force. If there is no enough centripetal force, then the object will skid off or topple over. If it goes beyond the necessary speed, the speed limit is there. So how can we find it? So the frictional force in between the tire and the track supplies centripetal force. Okay, now the frictional force formula is mu mg, centripetal force mv square divided by the radius of the track. Here for the dry track we can create the formula. Here dry track mu will be m1, we can assume it, and mass of the vehicle is the same, g is the same. So here radius is the same radius and speed is v1 square. The mass of the car is same, so we can cancel it out. Okay, so we created a formula for the dry track. v1 square divided by the radius of the track is the same, and we do the same for the wet track. Mu2 mg is equal to m v2 square by r. Same, the mass of the car is cancelled, so we can write the remaining values here. Okay, now we can divide both. G cancelled, radius cancelled, so we have this. Now we can plug in values. v1 square, v2 square, so 3 times 2 times 9 over 4. So here is 9 for the dry and for the wet 4. So here is the answer. Thank you.